taking an example under Venn diagram. So we have it that in a class of 39 students, 24 speak Hausa, 15 speak Igbo, 20 speak Yoruba, and each of the students speak at least one of these three languages. If 7 speak Hausa and Igbo, 10 speak Hausa and Yoruba, and 5 speak Igbo and Yoruba, it said, A, draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the information using Y to represent the number of students who speak all the three languages. B says find Y. So when you have a question like this under Venn diagram, it is important you write out the parameters in the question, okay? So we are told that we have 39 students in the class, and in that class, we have those who speak Hausa, those who speak Igbo, and those who speak what? Yoruba. That solution. So we have the union of those who speak Hausa, union Igbo, union Yoruba will give us what? The total number of students in the class, which is what? 39. So Hausa, union Igbo, union Yoruba will give us what? 39. Okay? And 24 speak Hausa. So the number of those who speak Hausa is equals to what? 24. Those who speak Igbo is equals to what? 15. Number of those who speak Yoruba is equals to 20. And we have it that 7 speak Hausa and Igbo. This means Hausa intersection Igbo will give us 7, right? So we have Hausa intersection Igbo is equals to what? 7. Okay? 10 speak Hausa and Yoruba. This means Hausa intersection Yoruba is 10. So we have Hausa intersection Yoruba is equals to what? 10. And 5 speak Igbo and Yoruba. This means Igbo intersection Yoruba is equals to what? 5. So these are all the parameters we have in this question. So the next thing for us to do now is to draw our Venn diagram, okay? So let's draw our Venn diagram, okay? So do not forget that we'll use rectangular box to represent the universal set. Okay, so our universal set is equals to the total number of students in the class, which is what? 39, right? And since we have 3 languages, that means that the subset here is what? Is 3. So we're going to have 3 circles. So we have, this is the first one. This is the second one. And the third one, okay? So this is for Hausa, this is for Igbo, and this is for Yoruba. So we are told that we should use Y to represent the number of students who speak all the 3 languages. And this region is the intersection of Hausa, Igbo, and what? Yoruba, which is those who speak all the 3 languages. So here will be what? Will be our Y, right? So question under Venn diagram, it is important you work from the inside. So we are working from the inside to the what? To the outside. So we have it that those who speak Hausa and Igbo, that is the intersection of Hausa and what? Igbo will be in this region, right? So, and their number is what? Hausa and Igbo is 7. So inside that 7, there must be those who speak all the 3 languages. So it's important to subtract Y from that 7. So we have 7 minus what? Y, right? And we are told that those who speak Hausa and Yoruba is what? 10. That is Hausa and Hausa intersection Yoruba is 10. So we have to subtract Y from it. So we have 10 minus what? Y. And those who speak Igbo and Yoruba is 5. So you have to subtract Y from it. So we have 5 minus what? Y, right? So now we have to look for those who speak Hausa only without speaking any other language. So let's look for it. So we have only Hausa will give us what? We are told that 24 speak Hausa, but inside that 24, there are those who speak Hausa and Igbo. There are those who speak Hausa and what? Yoruba. And there are those who speak all the 3 languages. Subtract them from the 24. So we have 24 minus those who speak Hausa and Igbo. It doesn't matter where you start from. You can start from Hausa and Yoruba, okay? So we have Hausa and Igbo, which is what? 7 minus Y, plus those who speak Hausa and Yoruba, which is what? 10 minus Y, plus those who speak all the 3 languages, which is what? Which is Y, okay? So this will give us 24 minus, this will give us 17, Y plus minus Y plus Y will give us what? Minus Y. So if you work out this, it will give you 7 plus what? Y, right? So only, let's look for those who speak only Igbo. So we have only Igbo. So here will be what? Will be 7 plus what? Y. This is the number of those who speak Hausa only, without speaking Hausa and Igbo or Hausa and Yoruba or all the three languages. So let's look for those who speak Igbo only. So we have their number is what? 15 minus those who speak Igbo and Yoruba, which is what? 5 minus Y, plus those who speak Igbo and what? Hausa, which is what? 7 minus Y, plus those who speak all the three languages, so plus Y. So we're going to have 15 minus, we're going to have 12 minus Y. So if you work out this bracket, it will give you 3 plus Y. So we'll have it that those who speak Igbo only will be what? 3 plus what? Y. So for Yoruba only, we'll have only Yoruba will give us what? Their number is what? 20. So we're going to have 20 minus those who speak Yoruba and Igbo, which is what? 5 minus Y, plus those who speak Yoruba and Hausa, which is what? 10 minus Y, plus those who speak all the three languages, which is what? Y. So we're going to have what? 20 minus 5, this will give us 15 minus Y. So if you work at this bracket, it will give you 5 plus what? Y. So here will be what? 5 plus what? Y. So this is the required Venn diagram you are asked to what? To find, okay, or to draw, right? So the next thing for us to do is to find the value of Y. How do we find the value of Y? By adding everything inside the word Venn diagram and equating it to what? To 39, which is what the universal set, or the total number of students in the class, right? So let's do that. So we'll have the B part of the question. We're going to add everything, which is what? 7 plus Y plus 7 minus Y plus 3 plus Y plus what? Plus 10 minus Y plus what? Plus 5 plus Y plus 5 minus Y, okay? Then plus what? Plus Y. Plus Y. Everything will give us what? 39, right? So it doesn't matter the way you add up. You can start from here, add, just make sure you add everything inside the Venn diagram, okay? So we'll have it 7 plus Y plus 3 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5 will give us what? 37. So we'll have 37, okay? Plus Y minus Y is 0, plus Y minus Y is 0, plus Y minus Y is 0. So we are left with what? With just Y. So we have plus what? Plus Y is equals to what? 39. Our Y is equals to 39 minus what? 37. And that will give us what? 2. The value of Y is what? 2, which is what we are required to find. So thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe to this page if you have not yet subscribed, and share this video. Thank you.